Welcome back. I hope you're doing great. As a part of this video, we will understand data validation approach for scenario 2. In the previous video, we understood what should be the validation approach when source and target tables are on the same RDBMS database and in the same server. But now the scenario here is both source and target are in the same RDBMS, but on different database server. Please note this down, on a different database server with permission to both the tables. There is a permission to access both the source and target of this Oracle DB. We have a source and target in Oracle DB, but on a different server. Tester has a permission to both the sources. How do we approach the validation for this? We have different approaches. Let us look at them one by one. First approach is creating a DB link from target DB to source DB. DB link is database link. Why are we creating a DB link? Remember, in this scenario, source is on different server, target is on different server. In order to establish a communication between the source and target, we are creating a database link, that is DB link. Once you establish the connection by using a DB link, then things are simple. Apply the transformation logic on the source data and then compare that with the target data. Because there is a link, you will be able to apply the transformation and the results of the transformation from source can be compared with the target table. Wonderful. Let us understand a couple of more approaches. The next approach is can create a temporary table in the target database and export the source data into a flat file and load that flat file into a temp table created in the target database. Apply the transformation logic on the temp table and compare that with the target data by using minus or except queries, depending upon whether you are in Oracle or in SQL Server. So why are we doing this? This is one more approach. If you are thinking your queries are taking more time with the previous approach, with little bit of effort, you can make your queries run bit more faster than the first approach because source data and the target data are there in the same server. One more approach would be you can apply the transformation logic on the source data in a different server and export that into a Excel file, download the target table into a Excel file, perform the Excel to Excel comparison. This is one more option. We are giving you different options so that you can implement whichever the approach can be implemented easily in your project. When we compare the data in Excel, you may think, doesn't Excel have a limitation? Yes, it does. What is the solution for that? We'll look at that in our subsequent videos. Thank you.